What's up YouTube, this is Prince with ATP 101, and in this video I'm going to show you guys 5 movie box alternatives. So if you know, basically movie box was shut down, so I'm going to show you guys 5 movie box alternative. And this video won't have movie box pro in it because you have to sign up for movie box pro, and it's all these it's just free. You download it, they all have ads, and that's pretty much it. And 2 of these are still in the app store that you could actually download from the app store, and the other 3 you will have to sideload. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is called Popcorn Time. So basically I'm going to show you all 5 and then I'm going to show you how to get them. So Popcorn Time, you tap on it, it opens up, let everything load, skip the ad, just like that. Sometimes it just go back, and basically you could scroll through and see all the movies. You could search, you got your watch list, you got your shows, so this is all the TV shows, and you guys could just basically click on any one of them and play. You could go to movies, just like that. Let's go to Equalizer 2. Let it load up. You're gonna click over here so you could download it to watch offline, which is real cool. And also you see up top right here, you got the Chromecast tab right here. You could just tap on it and you could stream it to your Chromecast. So that's real cool. That's one of the main things I look for when I look for these apps, is Chromecast support. So Chromecast and AirPlay is a major win. So if you have your Chromecast, you could just stream it to it just like that. You could tap play right here. You could choose your resolution. I could choose 1080 or 720. I'll choose 720 because it will load faster, and I could show you guys that it does work quicker. Almost done. So there you go. So now it's done. So it's going to begin to load. And there you go. Just like that. And the movie begins to play. So that one is called Popcorn Time, guys. You guys can just go through it and find whichever movie you like or TV show, download it to watch offline, or just play straight up. So yeah, that's the first one. The other one is called Coda Movies or Barbie Movies. Basically it's the same thing, because whenever I download Barbie Movie, I get Coda Movie. This is my favorite. This is the one I use on my main device. This is my iPhone 10. That's the one I use right there. So yeah, so let's tap on it, and this one also has Chromecast support, which is real good. And the thing with all these, most of these have the same movies, but you could just go to it, hit watch now. This one is much faster. That's 2 ads whenever you do it. That's the first one, and then the second one, give it right there. Just like that, and it should start playing. And you can see this one has Chromecast and AirPlay, which streams to your Apple TV support. Just like that. Here you can see it's already playing. Just like that. And right here you could do the quality. So basically these are all 720p and a 480. So it'll work. I mean, so yeah, that's the second one. And then the other one is called Media Box HD. Tap on that one. You'll see all the movies right here. You'll see movies, TV shows, watch list. You got your Discover, which is a bunch of all the movies kind of combined. You see the trending page. I mean, just like that, you could go to your movies. Tap right there. Scroll down, you could download as well. Hit the play button. And it's gonna give you all of these, and basically you just tap on one, and whichever one works, and it'll start playing eventually. This one has AirPlay support. You can see it in the right corner. There it is right there. Boom. So you could go back. You guys could check it out just like that. So that one is called Media Box HD. And let's go back to Kodo Movie real quick. After you go back, come on. Just want to show you guys some of the settings. So you have to tap the left right here. You could get your genres, all that kind of stuff. When you got your genres, you could go back to top picks. You got your popular, you got your trending, you got your latest or your last update, just like that. And so these three that I just showed you guys, you have to sideload them. But these two, the other one is called Cinema Time and Crackle, Sony Crackle. These two is in the App Store right now. So let's tap on Cinema Time. Okay, so kill the ad. And we could scroll through. These are the Discover right here. You got Aquaman. And you got Bird Box, which is hype show right now, and you could just basically click on that right there. It's going to download the link. Basically, you just tap on the first one or tap on anyone till you find a working link. You see the ad playing. Kill the voice. Looks a long ad. It's just... Okay, so now it should start playing. And this is a Netflix movie, so, and just like that, it's playing. So that one, and that one is from the App Store, so that one will be linked in the description. So there it is right there. You go through it. You got your upcoming, got your watch list, and you basically, you guys could just go through and search for whatever movie you guys want to watch, or you could tap on like these right here. You could see the ratings and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's the fourth one, and the other one is called Crackle. Crackle is real cool. You could also get this on the Apple TV. So that's, you don't have to sign in. I just use guest. Don't allow. I just downloaded this one for my second device. I already had it on my main device. So basically, you could just go through. And the thing with this is, it's like TV. So it's free on the App Store. Nothing wrong with it. And when you're watching it, it gives you like TV commercials and all that kind of stuff. So when I'm watching this on my Apple TV, it's like I'm watching real TV. So I got a series playing, say I'm watching whatever it is, it'll just have commercials like regular TV. So it's kind of like watching regular TV.
No, not those kind of plates.
So it's like commercials and all that kind of stuff, but it'll start playing eventually. And this one has tons of TV shows. Tons and tons of TV. So if you go to TV, you can see. Let it open up. Scroll through. And they got a lot of 90s TV shows too. So if you want to watch some old school stuff, then this is where you gotta be right here. You know what I mean? So yeah. So those are the 5 movie box alternatives, and 2 of them is in the App Store. Cinema Time and Crackle is in the App Store. Links to those will be in the description, and the other ones, and when you click the link, it's gonna bring you right here. So you want to go to the second tab, and you want to tap Entertainment. And once you tap on Entertainment, then you could go here. You could download Movie Box HD. You could download, where's the other ones? Scroll them down. Popcorn Time. And I'm pretty sure what's going on. And this thing just froze up on me. So let's go back to Entertainment. And you could download either Barbie Movie, or you could search for Kodo Movie. this one right here doesn't really have an icon, but you can see right there. You just tap on them and then hit get, and then hit install, and it will install. After you install them to your phone, you want to go to settings, scroll down to general, scroll all the way down to profiles and device management right there, and then just tap on the certificate and hit just tap on the email, and then you'll be good to go. And then you could open up the app and you guys could watch your movies. And then these two is in the app store, so if I go to the app store, show you guys that it's legit. I'll go to search and type in cinema. Just type in cinema, and you can see Cinema Time popped up right there. And then the other one is Crackle, or Sony Crackle. And you can see it right there, and you download them and you're good to go. So there you go, guys. So those are 5 MovieBox alternative, not including MovieBox Pro and MovieBox Plus Plus, which there are on here. You can see, where's it at? But I just MovieBox, that one don't work. Got MovieBox Pro, and I think there's also a MovieBox Plus Plus if I go to tweaked. So you could also go to tweak, the tweak sections, and you can scroll down and you can see YouTube Plus Plus, and there's a MovieBox Plus Plus, but I don't think those work. So yeah, there you go, guys. Prince at ATP 101, showing you guys 5 MovieBox alternative. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace. Thanks for watching.